Greetings, and welcome to our first lesson of learning how to read music notation and apply it to the piano or keyboard, as well as our singing voice. In this lesson, we will learn the music alphabet, the finger chart for piano students, right hand C position for piano students, music notation beginning with middle C for piano and vocal students, and the lesson will end with C position exercises for piano and vocal students. Even though you may not have a piano or keyboard, everything learned in this lesson is helpful to vocal students should they decide to learn an instrument at a later date. The music alphabet begins with the letter A and ends with the letter G. Therefore, only the first 7 letters of the alphabet are used in music. After the letter G, we begin again with the letter A. Next, we learn about the finger chart. When playing the piano or keyboard, each finger is assigned a number. The numbers indicate which finger belongs on each key that is being used in a song. On both hands, finger number 1 is the thumb. Finger number 2 is the pointer finger. Finger number 3 is the middle finger. Finger number 4 is the ring finger. And finger number 5 is the pinky. Next, we learn to place our right hand on the piano or keyboard. The first position that we learn is called C position. When learning the piano or keyboard, the first note to learn is middle C, which is located in the center of the piano or keyboard, and then D, E, F, and G. We don't begin with the note A because it is best to begin with a key that has no sharps or flats, which are the black keys in them. The key of C has no sharps or flats in it. We will learn A and B later. C is always the white key before every group of 2 black keys. The black keys are set up in groups of 3 and 2. Every white key before the groups of 2 black keys is a C. In C position, finger number 1, the thumb, is on C. Finger number 2, the pointer finger, is on D. Finger number 3, the middle finger, is on E. Finger number 4, the ring finger, is on F. And finger number 5, the pinky, is on G. If you have a piano or keyboard, place your hands in position as shown on the screen. Now we get to see and hear what each of these notes look and sound like. The top line shows the notes C through G on what's called a staff. The staff is the 5 lines and 4 spaces on which the notes are placed. At the beginning of the staff, there is a symbol that looks like a fancy G. This symbol is called a treble clef or G clef. On the piano, notes played using the treble or G clef are the higher pitched notes, and they sound like this. C, D, E, F, G. I'm going to play and sing the notes again, and this time you sing the notes and also play along if you have a piano or keyboard. C, D, E, F, G. Now that you've heard what each note sounds like, try to identify the notes on the bottom 3 staves, which is the plural word for staff, using the notes on the top staff. I'll give you a few moments to identify the notes. You may print this page and write the letter names of the notes if that helps. Okay, who can read to me the notes on the first staff? Very good. Who can read to me the notes on the second staff? Excellent. Who can read to me the notes on the third staff? Good. Thank you. Now that you've identified the notes using the staff that had the letter names printed under the notes, now let's try to identify these notes without the help of the letter names printed under them. Who would like to attempt to read the notes on the first staff? Good. Who would like to attempt to read the notes on the second staff? Very good. Who would like to attempt to read the notes on the third staff? Good. Who would like to attempt to read the notes on the fourth staff? Good. Thank you. Now let us take a look at the 4 exercises. We're going to play and sing them together. Each note will be held for 4 beats after I count us in by saying 1, 2, ready, perform. If you have a piano or keyboard, you will play exercise 1. If you don't have a piano or keyboard, you will sing exercise 1. 1, 2, ready, perform. C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C. Excellent. Now let us perform exercise 2. 1, 2, ready, perform. C, E, G, E, G, E, F, C, C. Very good. Now let us perform exercise 3. 1, 2, ready, perform. C, G, E, F, G, E, F, E, D, C. Very good. Now let us perform exercise 4. 1, 2, ready, perform. C, F, D, E, G, E, D, F, D, C. Good. Now let us summarize what we've learned. The music alphabet begins with A and ends with G. After G, you start all over again with A. The finger chart is used for piano or keyboard students to illustrate which finger plays each note. Both thumbs are number 1. The pointer fingers are finger number 2. The middle fingers are finger number 3. The ring fingers are finger number 4. And the pinkies are finger number 5. Right hand C position. In C position, finger number 1, the thumb, is on C. Finger number 2, the pointer finger, is on D. Finger number 3, the middle finger, is on E. Finger number 4, the ring finger, is on F. And finger number 5, the pinky, is on G. Music notation beginning with middle C. When beginning to learn music, we begin with the note middle C instead of A because we don't have to use sharps or flats, which are the black keys, and can be difficult when learning music. When learning the music notation, you may refer to the staff that contains the notes middle C through G. This illustration can be used as a guide for the 4 C position exercises. For your homework, memorize the location of each note on the staff and be able to identify them based on their location. Then practice playing and or singing all 4 exercises. Be able to play and sing the exercises without hesitation for the next lesson, in which we'll learn the lower notes on the bass clef or F clef. Use the recording of this presentation as a guide. Thank you.